on both sides. Looking northward, the Central Asia Republic represents a collective market of over 70 million people, rich in energy, minerals, and growing demand for goods and services. Countries such as Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan are seeking access to ports and markets in South Asia. Pakistan, and specifically Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, can be that corridor through road and rail connectivity, through transit agreements, and through economic diplomacy. Ladies and gentlemen, our promise is rich in natural resources and blessed with hard-working, enterprising people. We have world-class marble and minerals, a thriving honey industry, a fast-growing IT sector, a legacy of craftsmanship in gems, jewelry and carpets, and a strong agriculture base that produce high-quality dry fruits and medicinal plants. These are not just local assets, they are exportable products with competitive value on regional and global stage. To fully capitalize on this potential, we must address the enabling environment. Simplifying regulatory framework and harmonizing standards with neighboring countries will reduce trade friction and enhancing competitiveness. I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of all the federal and provincial institutions working towards trade facilitation. However, there is still much work to be done. The government alone cannot drive this agenda. We need the active partnership of the private sector, chambers of commerce, logistic operations, academia, and very importantly, our friends in diplomatic and commercial consulars community. Our commercial missions abroad must actively promote the products and capabilities of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Trade fairs, virtual exhibition, business delegation, and investors conference must include a Khyber Pakhtunkhwa focus. Let me also say a word to the local business community. You are the engines of growth. Do not be afraid to explore new markets. Take advantage of new transit corridors, invest in quality, in branding, in compliances. Think regionally, think beyond borders. The world is changing and so must we. I would like to once again thank all the organization of this event for bringing together such a diverse and important group of participants. I also thank our guests from foreign countries for their presence and for their support. I also want to thank TDAP for participating in this event which we are holding today. I was very glad to hear that we are having Paka One Trade Conference exhibition inshallah in Peshawar, and I have also requested my friend, my brother SM Bashir Sahab to hold FVCI awards this time in Peshawar also, because we want to create the soft image of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And I have also requested in my last event which was held here in Governor House. So this time the chance should be given to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and I would love to host you in Governor House here. I've just talked to him and he has promised me. So Kazmi Sahib will follow it up with this. And I think the future of all these Central Asian countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan, lies with the business. If we talk about previous Silk Roads, like if we talk about the business chances with Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, now as Bashir said about electricity thing. I went to Tajikistan and I think they were giving electricity on 1 cent to your 2 cent to their industries. And there's a lot of potential if we again go for these Central Asian countries, trade with Afghanistan, Central Asian countries. This is the future of our Pakistan and Central Asia and Afghanistan. So we should explore these countries, our trade routes. We have got 7 passes with Afghanistan, which should be officially, or what you can say, whatever government want to do, federal government, but these trade routes should be open. Then we have very good corridor of Wakhan border, if Pakistan, Afghanistan and Tajikistan work on that also, because from Doshambe you can reach Peshawar earlier than you are going to Lahore. So that is also the, we are looking forward for this CASA 1000 also, electricity coming from Tajikistan. So inshallah, if we work hard and the business and with the support of business community, if we start trade with these Central Asian countries of Afghanistan, inshallah, we all countries will prosper better. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, Governor Kunji, for inspiring address and leadership in shaping